Well guys, she's up and running, but she's got an engine knock, so we need to check the oil and a couple other things. Brakes, I thought they checked this stuff, but apparently, I don't know. The valet guy said it all felt funny, so engine was knocking, which was not good. They didn't tell me about any engine knocks. They said they checked the oil level. Who knows? At least I'm getting the car back. It needs to go straight to the body shop, I think. But we're gonna see. Keep you guys updated. But as of right now, I got the keys. Trash bags. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ready. Glove. We shall begin. Look at this. Good Lord.